Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is Jill's Comfort Zone. Today we are going to make some delicious pepper steak. Let's go.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having it place on earth, and I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having it place on earth, and I'll take you there.
All right, this is week 1 of Spring Forward Challenge. So let's get into our ingredients we need for our pepper steak. You got green pepper, red pepper, bell peppers, cornstarch. We got all of these good seasonings. You could use 1 tablespoon of each except for the black pepper, red crushed pepper, season to your taste, my buds, okay? And we done cleaned off our strips, and I cut in our strips thinly sliced steak. And we're going to go ahead and start seasoning this up. Season to your liking. Use less or more of whichever you choose to. Just make it flavorful, because I bring the flavor, okay? Because we need flavorful dishes in this house. All right. So as I'm seasoning everything up, then we're going to go ahead and get it all married together. Listen, when I tell you this is so flavorful and delicious, trust me, you're going to love it. Did I say season generously? Yes. I need flavor to my dishes. I hope you're having an amazing day. And I hope you have been watching all of the participants who is joining me on this Spring Forward Challenge. It's fun. Nice way to meet and network with each other. So check out my community wall and check out all of the participants. Shout out to Mixed Allergy. She kicked it off and dropped her macaroni and cheese video. Girl, it was looking good. All right, yeah, so we're gonna go into the cornstarch. Now the cornstarch I used 1 tablespoon of the cornstarch, and then I did a half a tablespoon of the baking soda. The baking soda help tenderize that meat, okay? So you don't have a whole lot of cooking time. And so while you're marinating everything, it'll be good to go when you cook it. The honey, just giving it a little, not about the sweetness, just so you can get that nice caramelization. So I had to use a bouillon, a couple of cubes of bouillon to make my own chicken broth, beef broth. Well, this was chicken broth, so I used some bouillon cubes. Just boiled it down, and then, and so you're just going to add as you go. If it's looking, too dry and not moist enough for you, because you want a little bit of juices in there. So all of that is married together. So let's get going with the green and red peppers. We're going to slice it to your liking. If you like chunks, use chunks like there with the onion. I like chunky onions. So, and I just chose to slice the green and red peppers that way. All right, heat you some avocado oil or whatever oil you have on hand in your pan. And let's start adding in those beef slices, okay? Ooh, Lord. When I tell you, baby, this was so delicious. It was really delicious. And the house was smelling so amazing. Hope you've been enjoying my cooking videos. hope if you've been in a couple of my lives, I hope you enjoyed those too. All right, let's get back into this dish. You're just gonna move it around a little bit just to spread them out, like so. Let it cook up and brown up. Turn it, flip it around some. I think this part of the cooking process, because we use that baking soda to tenderize it some, you're only going to cook it for about, I'll say 7 minutes or less, just to start until you get that caramelization look there, as you can see going on here in the pan. So after about 6-7 minutes or so, you're going to add in the garlic. Don't add it before because you don't want burnt garlic, okay? And then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of garlic, or you can add in just 1 tablespoon to your liking. Stir it all together. Let it cook for about a couple of seconds. Oh, it smells so good. Now we're going to add in the juices that we had left over from our meat as it was marinating. That's going to start pulling this gravy together. Add our veggies. And then, don't pay attention to the ashy hands. I'm constantly washing hands, y'all. It ain't about the hands, it's about the food. Pay attention. Let's stir. Let's get everything married together, and then as you're gonna see, it's gonna start thickening up the gravy a little bit. I had to add a little bit more chicken broth into this. And I didn't have any more toasted sesame seeds on hand, so that would have topped it off a notch. I would have loved some mushrooms too. Hey, look at that. See our sauce, that gravy, sauce. Let's let it settle down there.
Well,
Look at that.
For the
Let's go in for a taste.
rice to finish cooking, y'all.
This was definitely
it. Goodness.
It smells so delicious.
Scoop up some of this goodness. Should have got a regular fork, huh? 'Cause I want everything in one bite, y'all. All right, I'm being greedy. Yeah, one bite. Look at that. Oh, Lord. Onions and veggies. Still crunchy.
And there you have it. Ooh, the goodness pepper steak. You see that gravy? I went ahead and made some kidney beans. Oh, Lord, this was so delicious. So I hope you try this meal at home. I appreciate you for watching. Welcome to all of my new subbies. And as I always say, I love you. Stay blessed and peace out. Till next time. Later.